Welcome back to the channel. If you are a PC gamer looking to expand your digital library without spending a single penny, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and claim free games on Steam, so you can fill your library with endless entertainment. Whether you are looking for hidden gems or popular titles, Steam makes it incredibly easy to build your collection for free. If this tutorial helps you get started with some new games, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, go ahead and launch the Steam desktop application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account so that any game you claim is immediately added to your permanent library. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Store tab. This will take you to the main storefront, where you can browse the latest deals and catalog updates. Once the store page has loaded, navigate to the Categories menu, located within the store navigation bar. You will see a drop-down menu appear. Go ahead and find the section labeled Free to Play, and click on it. This page is essentially a goldmine because it filters out all the paid content and only shows you titles that are completely free to install and play. You can browse through the featured list, check the trending section, or look for specific genres that you personally enjoy. When you find a game that catches your interest, click on its banner to open the dedicated store page. Here you can check out the screenshots, read the system requirements, and see user reviews. Once you are ready to add the title to your library, scroll down until you see the green button that says Play Game. Simply click on that, and Steam will automatically initiate the installation process and attach that license to your account forever. It is genuinely that straightforward, and it is a fantastic way to discover new genres without any financial risk. I highly recommend spending some time exploring the categories list, as there are hundreds of high-quality titles waiting for you. If this guide helped you score some great new titles for your library, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next video.